I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're going to do something that just about everybody likes. Wings. These are actually, I think, a better take on the traditional fried wings. These are going to be oven fried, done in the oven, baked. There's a couple advantages to this. One, you can do a whole bunch of them at one time on the trays. Two, they're a lot healthier because you're not using any fat. 3, saves money because you're not using any oils or fat. And the taste is really good. We use an ingredient that probably most people don't think of to use for this, is what's going to crisp them up. There's also 2 ways to do this. Some people like putting your sauces, flavorings on as they go in the oven. Some people like them totally done in the oven, crispy, come out and then coat them and toss them. I'm going to show you both ways. So let's get to it. This is so simple, you don't need much, and with Super Bowl parties and stuff coming up, it's a crowd pleaser. I've got a couple pounds of wings here, and we're going to pat them dry really well. You want to get all the moisture out. And then baking powder, and some garlic, pepper, a little salt, and a little cayenne. So I'm going to mix this together and put it in a bag, and put my dried wings in the bag and coat them. Then we're going to place them on a foil-lined cookie sheet with a rack. So you can see I have them in here. We're just going to make sure they're all coated good. And we're just going to put them on the tray here with the rack. And you want to make sure that you don't have them too close together. I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. And that's it. And we're going to stick her in the oven. I'm going to put them in for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to turn them. And I'll put some of the coating on some of them. Leave the others plain. And then we'll pull them out after about an hour. Now these are after 30 minutes. So I'm going to coat half of these. And I'm going to flip them all over. I'll keep a couple plain. And they're out of the oven. And you can see which ones I coated here part way through. And we're going to coat them again. And then I'm going to do these other ones too. But you can see, just look. Listen to that. How crunchy and crispy that is. So we'll finish getting these plated up. And then you know what time it is. So here they are. These are the ones that I coated through the process, and these are the ones I did at the end. These are a honey mustard, and these are barbecue, and I made my own sauces. I'll include links for them below, along with the recipe for this, although there isn't much to it. But the baking powder, and make sure it's baking powder and not baking soda, because there's a big difference, really helps them crisp up nice, takes out the extra moisture, and just gives them a really nice crunch. And I'm serving it with some blue cheese and some celery. So, you know what comes next. We'll give them a taste. Okay, I'm going to try. Look how yummy that looks. Oh man. Nothing to make in them. So easy. No oils, no fats. Cleanup's easy. You can make a whole bunch. Oh my god, that's good. So, there you go. Best easy oven baked, oven fried chicken wings. Give her a shot. All those parties and stuff coming up, it'll be a crowd pleaser. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.